Hi everybody, I'm Kathleen Byram, and I'd like to talk to you about 5 of the most genuinely fascinating, lesser-known animal behaviors and traits. First one is the Bogong Moths navigate by the stars. We know that birds and sea turtles use the Earth's magnetic fields to travel, but the tiny Bogong Moth of Australia does something straight out of ancient maritime history. Every year, billions of these moths migrate over 600 miles to find cool caves in the Australian Alps. Scientists recently discovered that even without a magnetic compass, these insects navigate by locking onto the patterns of the night sky. When researchers artificially rotated a projection of the stars above them, the moths instantly pivoted their flight path to match, showing an incredible level of astronomical awareness packed into a microscopic brain. Next is about orcas. Orcas practice community skin care with tools. Killer whales are famous for their terrifying hunting strategies, but they also have a surprisingly gentle, pampered social side. Orcas regularly experience skin buildup and diatoms, microscopic algae, that make them itchy. To fix this, pods have been observed crafting pieces of kelp into exfoliating tools. They will pass the kelp around, using it to rub down and groom their friend's skin while swimming together. It's a deliberate, reciprocal spa day that reinforces social bonds across the pod. The ghost crab. It has teeth in its stomach. If you think chewing your food is a universal rule, the ghost crab would like a word. These beach-dwelling crabs have a structure inside their stomachs called a gastric mill, which is essentially a set of 3 internal calcified teeth used to grind up hard shells and prey. But scientists discovered a bizarre bonus feature. When a ghost crab is threatened by a predator like a bird or a larger crab, it can rub these stomach teeth together to growl. They are literally growling at threats from inside their bodies while keeping their claws completely free to fight. Pigeons. Pigeons can spot cancer better than some doctors. Because pigeons are so common, we easily underestimate their visual processing power. In a fascinating medical study, researchers trained pigeons to look at high-resolution microscopic slides of human breast tissue. By rewarding them with food when they correctly identified malignant versus benign growths, the pigeons achieved a staggering 85% accuracy rate within days. When scientists pooled the responses of a small group of pigeons together, their collective accuracy jumped to 99%, matching the performance of professional human radiologists who spent years in medical school. Tomato plants scream, and moths listen. This is a double-sided secret between flora and fauna. When a tomato plant is stressed, either from lack of water or because its leaves are being cut, it emits tiny, distinct, ultrasonic clicking sounds. While humans can't hear this plant anxiety, female moths absolutely can. Mother moths use these acoustic stress signals as a warning system. If they hear a plant crying out, they steer clear and refuse to lay their eggs there, knowing the leaves won't be healthy enough to feed their future caterpillars. And that's all I have for you tonight. I'm Kathleen Byram, and I'm the author of Conversations with Donkey, A Bipolar Journey. Thank you for listening. I hope that you will comment, like, and subscribe. If you would, please. It helps to up the algorithm so more people see my video. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.